Did you know that most investors overlook the best stocks to buy today, missing out on big opportunities? The share market can be a confusing and unpredictable place, with thousands of stocks to choose from. How do you know which ones will provide the highest returns today? The problem is, many investors are overwhelmed by options and make impulse buys based on the latest news or tips they hear. This often leads to buying at the wrong time, resulting in disappointing gains or worse, losses. The problem: overwhelm and missed opportunities. Every day, the market is flooded with news, reports, and predictions. It can be tempting to chase the latest hot tip, but these quick decisions are often more harmful than helpful. Without a strategy and a clear understanding of which stocks are truly positioned for growth, you risk missing out on significant returns. The solution: find today's top stock picks for maximum gains. If you're ready to maximize your gains today, you need to focus on stocks with solid fundamentals, growth potential, and a clear trajectory for success. Here are some of the top picks to consider today. Tech stocks. Technology is one of the fastest growing sectors. Companies in AI, cloud computing, and cybersecurity are seeing unprecedented demand. Look for companies leading innovation, such as those involved in 5G, artificial intelligence, or cloud infrastructure. Pharma and healthcare. The pandemic and aging populations have made healthcare a booming industry. Stocks in pharmaceutical companies, medical devices, and biotech are often undervalued, but can provide massive returns, especially those on the verge of breakthroughs. Green energy and EV stocks. The future is electric, and green energy companies are benefiting from growing environmental awareness and government incentives. Electric vehicle manufacturers and renewable energy companies could see significant growth, especially as the world shifts towards sustainable energy. Small cap stocks. Smaller companies with high growth potential can deliver substantial returns. These stocks are often overlooked, but may offer huge upside as they grow into major players in their industries. The hidden opportunity. The real secret to success is identifying undervalued stocks that are poised for a breakthrough. Look for companies in emerging sectors with strong leadership and innovative products. These often fly under the radar, but could see explosive growth once the market catches on. The takeaway: don't let the market overwhelm you today. Take a strategic approach and focus on the sectors with the most growth potential. By identifying key stocks with strong fundamentals and growth trajectories, you can unlock the opportunity for maximum gains. The market is full of hidden gems. All you need is the right strategy to find them.